starting out with NuWave Oven recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a burger and fries from frozen a beef patty, frozen fries, all in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So we're going to see how it does with some burgers and fries at the same time right now. Alright, so I've got my ground sirloin burger patty, I've got my Checkers fries, probably the best fries in the world. But what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take the burger and the fries and get them out the pack here. And basically the burger patty I'm just going to put on this plate here and do a little prep. I'm going to put the fries over here on the grill plate of the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So I'm going to get our burger patty out real quick so we can start working on that. Here's our burger patty. As you can see, it is fully and completely frozen. Now I'm going to get my fries open here and get some fries out. And nothing in this video is sponsored, I always say. Put some fries, just throw some fries around. My accessories such as air fry basket and such have not come yet, they're on back order, so I want to see how to do these without those accessories. Maybe some of you will be able to effectively cook up your burger and fries without those accessories. So I'm just spreading out some fries around things. I think maybe I'll put the burger in the middle. Maybe I'll just arrange it so that there's fries all around with a burger in the middle. That'd be interesting. So let's get some more fries. Stick some more fries around. This will be pretty interesting work trying to fit the burger in, but we'll fit that burger in there. Probably fit it in like right over here or something. Maybe get some room for them. That might not be enough. Interesting. So I'll just throw a couple more over there. Alright. We'll work it out. I'll make that work. But what I want to do here, I want to cover this burger patty. I don't want to make too much oil because I don't want a bunch of grease to cause a bunch of smoke. Well, a bunch of oil to cause a bunch of smoke being right on that grill plate indoors. So I'm going to just put a little water on the patty. So just wiping the patty down with some water. Just going to get the other side a little wet as well. Sorry about any excess noise there. But just dampen it just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some seasoning on it, put some hickory smoked salt and some fresh ground black pepper on there. We're able to fit our patty right there. Get some more of my smoked salt on there. Put a little more of this freshly ground black pepper. Alright, so with that, just making sure that everything is kind of closed in. You know, don't want any feet or hands dangling off the edge of the bus. That would be dangerous. Or off the edge of the grill, of course. But you probably heard that if you were in grade school on the school bus. Alright, so we've got everything in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hit the time temp button. I want to set my temp up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. My time, I'm going to leave it at 15 minutes and we'll see what happens. So just going to hit start. And I got 50% on the top and bottom heating elements. Bring you back in a bit and we'll see what's going on here. Alright, so 12 minutes have passed. You see just a little bit of smoke coming through the smoke hole, but it's all good. just good ventilation going on. I'm going to pause things with 12 minutes having passed. I'm going to get my grilled fries out of here. You can see the other side of them, they look, you know, nicely grilled. So I'm going to get the fries off at this point and save the fries. Everything's smelling nice. Everything's grilling up really good. You can basically, you know, grill yourself some fries on here. You don't need the air fry accessories to grill yourself up some fries right on that hot grill plate. It gives a real nice cook to things. Look at my last fry. Now that I've got my fries off, I'm going to flip this burger. Look at the grill marks on that burger. Look at that sear. That's 12 minutes. I'm going to, whoops, my button. I always hit the buttons trying to put this thing back on, so I knocked it down to 2 minutes left. But I want to give it maybe 4 minutes on that side. So basically I've added like an extra minute, so it's going to be 16 minutes for the burger at the 400 degree Fahrenheit. I know some of you would stop here. I'm just going to cook it a little more. Alright, so I let that burger go a couple more minutes. Well, I guess it went to 3 more minutes, so it's gone 15 minutes total. It went 15 minutes. I'm going to check its temp now, see how hot it is with my instant read thermometer. It's up in the 180, so yeah, I definitely cooked it very well done. I probably could have stopped it sooner, but that's what I wanted right there. I wanted some real good searing grill marks on both sides. So you can basically do 12 on one side. You can check your temp and stop if you want, or go a few more if you want to get searing on both sides of your burger. And that's what I wanted. I'm going to make sure that I turn things off here. Hit that on off button. Whoa, got off my holder there. Alright, and put my cheese on top. Got my homemade bread. Got my mayo I'm going to put on here. And I know a lot of you don't like a really well done burger, but if you don't mind a well done burger, let me know you don't like a well done burger. Or if you like a, you know, rare burger or medium rare burger, you can leave a comment too. You're welcome to leave a comment too. Let's see. Got that off of there. Got that burger on there. Now I've got my ketchup and mustard. Throw some ketchup on this burger. And throw some of my mustard down on this burger. Look at that. About 15 minutes, burgers and fries. So, let me get the camera adjusted, and then we'll do some taste testing. Alright, we're going to start with the burger. So, let's taste. Now let's give the fries a try. Try one more fry. Alright, all turned out good. 12 minutes on the fries. Burger, maybe you want to stop at 12 and test your temperature, or flip it, give it another few minutes, get a nice sear on both sides. Either way you go, you can't go wrong. Definitely want to hear your comments. Find this and other recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Everyone come to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, and good eating.